What if you could direct a movie without a camera, create a stunning commercial without a crew, or travel the world from your keyboard? A few months ago, Google introduced Veo, their answer to AI video generation, but the latest update, version 3.1, is where things get really interesting. Today on AI Trend Alerts, we're doing things a little differently. Less talking, more showing. We're going to take Google Veo 3.1 for a test drive and see what it can really do. Can it handle complex prompts? Can it create emotion? What about music and dialogues and complex physics? Where does it fail? Let's find out. Let's kick things off with the absolute basics. To start, I'll enter a simple, descriptive prompt to see how Veo 3.1 handles image quality and understands instructions. We're asking for a specific animal, a distinct environment, a time of day, and a cinematic lighting style. Let's see what Veo 3.1 delivers with just a sentence. Wow. Straight away, you can see the leap in detail. The skin texture, the golden light. This is miles ahead of last year's uncanny, wobbly AI video. The elephant's movement is consistent and lifelike. That's the basics. Now let's step things up. Can Veo 3.1 take on the role of a director? I'll try a more advanced prompt, this time specifying camera movement. Plus, I'll add the film noir preset for a bit of flair. Drone shot and flying over are our key directions. Let's see if the AI can translate that into movement. Incredible! The camera motion is buttery smooth, just like a real drone. The sound of waves is spot on, though there's an odd bang in the mix. Let's explore another shot to see how it handles time and pace. A time-lapse of a bustling city street transitioning from day to night with light trails from cars. This time, I've selected the action figure preset for prompt expansion. Let's see, a time-lapse of a city street, day turns to night, and car lights streak by. Gorgeous time-lapse effect. Sunset, city lights, traffic streaks. However, the people don't move as you'd expect in a real shot. Still, being able to specify drone shot, time-lapse, or panning shot gives creators real cinematic control. Veo 3.1 is generating not just scenes, but director-level shots. Now for the ultimate test. Can AI generate realistic, emotive humans? Usually, characters look a bit off or stiff. Let's put Veo 3.1 to the test. This is all about subtle emotion. Kind eyes and laughing heartily are tough cues for an AI. This is honestly stunning. The characters' look and expression are both consistent and genuine. A massive leap for AI video. Let's try a full body shot next. Her look and clothing remain consistent throughout. This opens up massive potential for storytelling, ads, and social media. Let's switch gears and test Veo 3.1's frames to video. The idea: transform stills into a cinematic story. Picture this: a tiny green seedling pushes through dry, cracked dirt. Seconds later, it's a towering, ancient tree in a lush rainforest. Thousands of years blinked in a moment. That's the magic of AI-powered transitions. Now, let's see what happens when you mix images and narrative. We gave Veo 3.1 3 visuals and a detailed prompt. Our ingredients were close-ups of the sailor's armor, the craft, and a space leviathan, all AI-generated. The first go looked stunning, but the space leviathan was a bit floaty and odd. After a bit of tweaking, we nailed a fantastic sequence, the version you saw earlier at the top of this video. Next up, audio and dialogue. We challenged Veo 3.1 to sync visuals with sound and speech.
Almost. There.
We also tried a tense spacewalk outside the ISS.
It's stuck. I can't get the leverage.
Easy, Maria. Just brace yourself against the module.
Every sound, breath, and grunt synced. VEO handled the details impressively. For our next test, we prompted, a young woman stands on a train platform, her face filled with anxiety. She spots someone, her look shifts to pure, teary-eyed joy. The AI captures that subtle emotional transition beautifully. Test case 2, nonverbal emotion and dialogue. Prompted with a tense family dinner.
You and I will be having a very long talk when our guests leave.
VEO 3.1 conveys the tension with body language, though the dialogue came out a bit loud at first. After another go, the audio balance improved for a more natural scene.
Very long talk once the guests leave.
For something fun, we built a quirky video game-style character in a hyper-real medieval town and gave it a voice. The result?
Cobblestones. Very uneven. A significant tripping hazard. The structural integrity of that timber framing seems questionable.
Entertaining and surprisingly lifelike.
A significant
And
tripping
just for
hazard.
laughs,
The
we couldn't
structural
skip
integrity of that
animal
timber
dialogue.
framing-
Go ahead, fetch your cards. I've got 9 lives to your 1. I can afford.
We've seen plenty of hits. Now let's talk about a few misses. We used a base picture and prompted the AI to bring it to life, character and all, singing a song.
The sun is high, the water's cool. A little frog leaps from his stool. My old sun is
The lip sync is accurate, but there's still room for better lyric video alignment.
My old cat.
For an advanced challenge, we staged a high-stakes heist. Every hand movement in focus, the suspense feels real. The shot is impressively detailed and realistic, but it's missing the high-speed tension of a classic heist scene. Complex physics and fluid dynamics. The visuals are wild and vivid. 3 brass billiard balls roll and collide on velvet, gears spinning inside, all powered by clockwork. Pure steampunk spectacle. And you can see a little odd, unexpected result. We kept pushing the limits. High-speed chases, sci-fi interiors, wild blends of reality and fantasy. Time and again, VEO 3.1 delivered style and realism even as we sought out its boundaries. So what are we seeing here? The 3.1 update to VEO seems to focus on 3 key areas. 1. Cinematic control. As we saw with the drone shot and time-lapse, you can now direct the camera like a real filmmaker. 2. Character consistency. The AI is getting much better at keeping characters looking the same from frame to frame, which was a major flaw in earlier models. 3. Longer, high-quality videos. While our demos were short, Google states VEO 3.1 can generate high-definition longer clips through flow.google, allowing for more complex scenes. For the everyday user, this means creating beautiful, custom videos for social media or personal projects is now as easy as writing a sentence. For enterprise users, marketing teams, ad agencies, filmmakers, this tool could slash production costs and timelines, enabling rapid prototyping of ideas that used to take weeks and thousands of dollars. Where VEO 3.1 falls short. VEO 3.1 can struggle to align lyrics with visuals and sometimes lacks the occasionally dynamic pace expected in action scenes. While creative, some animations feel artificial or less fluid, revealing room for improvement in realism and timing.
Before we wrap up, a quick note. The avatar you're looking at right now was animated using Google Veo 3.1. Just another example of how far AI video tools have come.
The line between reality and AI generation is blurring faster than ever. Tools like Google Veo
Almost.
3.1 are not just technical curiosities.
There.
They are fundamentally
There.
new canvases for human creativity. What would you create with this tool? We want to hear your most creative, ambitious, or just plain fun ideas. Drop a comment below with a prompt you'd love to see brought to life. And if you want to stay on the cutting edge of AI tools, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support helps us get early access to tools like this to create these demos for you. Thanks for watching AI Trend Alerts. Again, this video is not sponsored at all. We'll see you in the next one. Here is a short, funny story I generated using VEO 3.1. Note, it did take a few trial and error to generate this.
Everyone knows the tale of the hare and the tortoise, where the fast but overconfident hare lost to
Come
the
on,
slow,
then.
steady
I haven't got
tortoise.
all day.
But what became of the hare afterward?
Finish.
I remember a time when a certain speedy fellow challenged me to a race. He was so sure he would win. Why, hello there, hare. I can help if you need to get something fast.
Happy Halloween!